can't open up window. Come on. Come on. Let's take you outside. Come on. Take you outside this way. Look. The door. See? Okay, you're a free bird now. Go. You don't want to go. Yeah. Go. You go, you can come back later. You can come here and sleep at night in the garage. You don't want to go? Okay, I'll go back to the garage, huh? Silly bird. I think you're afraid of the cat. Cat gonna get you. Alright, you can stay in here with us. Yeah, go. Yeah. You hungry? Okay, well try that. Something wrong with you, man. You don't want to eat rice. Okay. Let's go to a different side. And now you want to go to the other side of the garage. Okay, so this is where I found you at. You want to just hang out here for now? Yeah. Huh? Alright, you hang right there. Do whatever you want to. I'll bring you food.